Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is lesson 5 to the Amazon. This is a new lesson that we have to cover. Firstly, you have to write down the heading of the chapter, then you have to draw the picture, and then you have to write the new words. There are many new words in this chapter, so you should be very careful when you are pronouncing it. Okay, so I'm going to help you how to pronounce this word, so please listen to it carefully and practice. Adventure, conversation, expedition, Amazon, continent, drains, Peru, Brazil, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, located, equator, basin, saucer, rainforests, rely, packcraft, canoes, encyclopedia, Kapok, explorer, Lima, traversing, edible, brochure, species, unique, spectacular, scarlet masca, three-toed sloth, gobble, jaguar, anaconda, harpy eagle, toucan, claws, grizzly, oozes, poisonous, gear, piranhas, scorpions, ticks, creatures. So we have covered 46 new words, and you have to learn the spelling of all of them. Now let us come to the word meanings. What do you mean by adventure? Adventure is an exciting or daring activity. Okay, daring activity that you like, and it gives you a it gives you excitement and daring experience. Okay, so that is adventurous. So what is the example of adventurous here? Is adventure activities is trekking. Okay, you can say trekking, you can say rock climbing, you can say safari, jungle safari. Okay, or you can say something that is more difficult to do in daily life, that is adventure, skydiving. All these examples are the example of adventure things. Okay, expedition, it's a short trip made for a particular purpose. Okay, so sometimes you go for expedition, like some people say that yes, he has gone for the Himalayan expedition, so it's for a particular person, and it is always short trip. Amazon name is the name of a river in South America. It is the largest river, not the longest river. It is the largest river in the world. Okay, not the longest one. Explorer. Who is the explorer? A person who discovers or new or unfamiliar things. Okay, some and unfamiliar areas. So that person is explorer. Okay, something that is not common. The person is trying to find it out and discover that thing, that place, that area, unfamiliar places. That is explorer. Okay, drains means cause the water or other liquid into run out. Okay, so that is draining system. When the we say na that the river drains out. Okay, so here what do you mean? That it flows out. Okay, equator is a line, it's a notational line. Okay, it's a you can say imaginary line, an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. Equator is a line, equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal parts. A line that divides earth into northern and southern hemisphere is an equator. It's an imaginary line. If we do not have actual line in on the earth, okay, you when you will look at the globe, you will always see an equator over there. Okay, basin, basin means the land drained by a river and its branches. Okay, the land drained by a river and its branches is called basin. Okay, now the rainforest. Rainforest is an example of forest that is very dense and forest rich with biodiversity. Okay, rainforest, you must have read about it. In this place we have a lot of rain, and the forest is very dense. There are many types of animal that lives here. Okay, rely is depends on. When you depends on something, you can say that you are relying on something. Packraft is a type of boat that is lightweight and inflatable. Okay, means that will not inflatable. So like you cannot it will not lose its air. Okay, that is inflatable boat. Okay, canoe is also a type of boat. Packraft we always sit one person, whereas in canoes you can sit 2 or 3%. It's also a light and narrow boat with a pointed ends. It will always have a pointed ends. Okay. Encyclopedia is a type of book or set of books giving information about many subjects. Okay, encyclopedia is a type of book that gives information about many things. Okay, you have encyclopedia in your library also. Okay. Traversing means travel across or through. Okay, when you travel across means suppose you are traversing in rainforest, so you are traveling through the rainforest. Okay, species, it's a kind. Okay, when you are talking about species, so we says that we always say that there are many endangered species. So what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? It means that there are many species that are in danger or at the verge of losing. So that means a species. A kind or a short, a group of living organism of individuals capable of exchanging genes. Okay, that's what we have to do. Brochure is a small booklet or a magazine in which we have information about some subjects. Okay, information about the product or a service. You will always found brochure in hotel rooms, or when you go for the some offices or something that gives you traveling service. Okay, so these people will always have brochure. Even you go for the parlors, you will have a brochure over there, because they gives you some services. So it will the all the information will be written that what kind of services given by our particular parlor or particular place. Unique means something that is different, being the only one of its kind. Okay, only one, so that is unique. You always say that I am unique, so it means that you are the only one of your kind. So spectacular means very beautiful in dramatic and eye-catching ways. You are not unable to unable to remove your eyes from that. Okay, you are keeping it. You are just it is as eye-catching that you are unable to remove your eyes from that. Gobble means when you eat quickly, hurriedly, so that is noisily, that is gobble. Okay, sometimes when you are hungry you gobble the food, because you are hungry, so you hurriedly put your food inside your mouth. Grizzly bear is an animal that is large race of a brown bear native of North America. So this bear is found in Native America, and it's a very large and brown color bear. Oozes means slowly seeping. Okay, something coming out of the other thing. Okay, suppose my blood is oozing out of my hand. Okay, so slowly seeping out, nikalna, slowly seeping out of something. Okay, so gear is something that you require, equipment that is used for a particular purpose. For example, fishing gear. So you need some particular things, particular equipment to go for fishing, so that is gear. Okay, poisonous, which is capable of causing death, that is poisonous, zehreela. Okay, creature is an animal and distinct from a human being. Okay, it is little bit distinct, this little bit different from the human being, that is creature. Okay, now let us come to our jump start that we have been given in this chapter, that is this one. Look at these picture. Have you ever done any of the outdoor activities shown in the picture? So this one is swimming, this one is trekking. I hope you know the meaning of swimming. Trekking is when a lot of people or people go to a long walks on a different difficult terrain, that is trekking. Rock climbing. Then next one is go-karting. I hope that you people have seen these go-karts in Adventure Island also. There are some amusement parks that has go-karting. Adventure rides, you must have been to Appughar or Fun Food, or there is adventure park, so we have Amazon adventurous rides over there. Then jungle safari. Okay, so he is asking whether you have done all these activities, like have you done any one of these? If you have done, very good. So what was your experience? If you have not done, so which one you would like to do? There are many other activities also, adventurous activities. You can write any one of them and you can write in your book. Okay, next question is, do you like going on adventurous trips? Do you like going on adventurous trip? Let us read conversation between Suleiman and his elder brother Zaid, who is all set to go on expedition to the Amazon. So we are going to read this chapter about this thing, say in detail. I've already shared the video with you, and we are going to share the you have to watch the video to understand the concept. Okay, Bye bye students, have a good day.